Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I've got this Pavoni here. So this machine just came in for a standard tune-up. So I'll just show you here. We've got the sight glass that I replaced, along with its gaskets. Then I replaced all the gaskets here throughout the group head. Those, this one, and then also behind the group head, on the boiler cap. Again, this holds the group head screen for gaskets, including the one here on the steam assembly. And now that the machine is heated up, I'm just going to brew a shot just to show you that everything's working. This is just our test coffee, so it's not perfectly calibrated to this machine. So this is just to show you that it does work. Let that drip for a minute and we'll show you the steam. Okay, hopefully you can see steam there. Might be kind of hard to see. And there's our shot of espresso. Alright. Thanks for watching.